Hi, my name is Eric Gibbons. I'm an inventor, author, artist, and teacher. And in my last video, I showed how you can make an N95 style mask at home. But I'm here to tell you how you can power up your mask using lemon juice. Common household item, you should be able to find it anywhere. And you might think lemon juice, that's crazy. But when you look on the internet, and this will be linked in the description, you can find GlaxoSmithKline information about their N95 masks. And it says right here, the active ingredient is citric acid at 1.8% to lower the pH of the surface of the mask. They spray citric acid on the outside of the mask, and it kills viruses within 1 minute of contact. And that includes the H1N1, the H2N2, H5N1, Hong Kong flu, and bird flu as well. So whether you're making a fabric mask, you're going to go to town and make an N95 style mask, all you have to do is spray the outside with lemon juice, let it dry, and you should be good to go. Nothing is 100%, but anything that gives you the edge is something that's going to be important to you. I'm going to have links in the description to the information from GlaxoSmithKline, how to make an N95 mask, and also there'll be links in this video how to make a more simple version of the mask. But whatever you do, spray with lemon juice and power up your mask. You have a great day. Make sure you share this video. It might save some lives. Thank you and stay safe.